Ladies and gentlemen, there's bread for me. Will you eat?
No thanks.
And bread? Okay. I am very hungry, but this bread is not good.
Okay guys. This is very uncomfortable. This is the university.
David Grabado. I'm good. And you?
I'm fine.
Hello guys, how are you?
This is Sedat.
I'm racing motorcycle. Yamaha. I'm pro.
Good motto. I'm gonna start riding. He's gonna be my teacher.
Yes.
I'm gonna be his
My
student.
teacher, it is very best. I love you. See you later.
See ya. Okay. Okay. So basically this video is the same thing I did yesterday but in English. I was explaining in yesterday's video that I forgot how to speak Spanish. Well, I didn't forget how to speak Spanish, but I forgot how to speak how can you say that? Bogota language. I think Bogotanian. I don't know. It is not comfortable to record while people are looking at you. But anyway, I have to get used to it. Okay, so I was saying that well, I didn't forget how to speak Spanish. You know, I think the people live from their home countries. You don't speak your own language, unfortunately, so you forget things. So it's a little bit strange, forgetting your own language. Okay, so I was saying, I realized that the way I speak Spanish, it changed a little bit. I mean, the accent and the words that I use. So it becomes a little bit uncomfortable when I speak, because I forget the words. And since I'm teaching Spanish, I'm pronouncing all the consonants and vowels, so that's why it sounds strange, because in Colombia and in Bogota we don't pronounce all the consonants. In Bogota we don't pronounce these. We don't say computador, we say computador, for example. Recording this video, I hope it helps me to not improve, like to feel more comfortable. Just some hours a day I speak Spanish, so that's why I want to do the vlogs in Spanish. However, it would be too much work to translate every single word that I say. It's easier to just shoot another video about the same things. I arrived. Merhaba. Evet.
Nerede?
Burada iki yer çalışıyorum. Burada İngilizce ders veriyorum. Orada İspanyolca ders veriyorum.
Sınır.
Biliyorum. Ben vlog yapıyorum YouTube'da.
Ha. Öğretmen misin?
Öğretmen, evet öğretmen.
Memleketlere.
Efendim?
Nerelisin?
Kolombiyalıyım.
Konголyalı.
Evet.
Tamam. Görüşürüz hocam.
Adın ne?
Tom Cruise.
Come on.
Serkan.
Ya. David.
David, memnun oldum.
Memnun oldum ben de.
Tamam, görüşürüz kardeşim.
Görüşürüz. Okay, this is my college. This is where I work. My students must be there. Chicos. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, gracias. Okay, I have to finish.